Good morning, children. You are all enjoying at home nowadays, but along with that, you are studying also. Now, in previous session, we have learned about the chapter money, Indian currency notes, coins in use that we have learned, and many other exercises we have learned. And before that, we have learned subtraction. Now many things like number line, like properties, like one digit subtraction, like two digit subtraction, like number stories, we have learned in subtraction, isn't it? So I think that one revision will be helpful for you if you do a revision of subtraction chapter once again. So in this session I have taken the revision of subtraction chapter because while borrowing some are having problem. Yes. So let's do once again this chapter so that you can understand, you can revise once again and no errors will come while you solve again this subtraction. Numbers are given by your ma'am, then you can do easily, isn't it? So let's start. I have given some number stories which already you have done. Now it's time to do it in a arranged manner, isn't it? How to do in arranged manner, that I will show you once again. Watch the video and try to understand it. Okay? See, division, question number 11, subtraction. Count how many left. In this box, you can see here questions are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this is kept blank and it is written how many left. That means you have to read this question, you have to understand, you have to write the proper statement or steps, then you have to solve. How to do that? That I will show you. Learn it properly. Okay? Now, what is written? Number 1, 20 sparrows eating grains. Now, if 20 sparrows fly away, how many left? Somewhere 20 sparrows sitting and eating grains. All of a sudden they have seen someone is coming. So, all 20 sparrows fly away from that place. How many left? Easily you can say 0. But steps, how to write the steps? That I will show you and you have to follow the same. First, 20 sparrows. 20 sparrows. S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S. 20 sparrows minus 20 sparrows fly away. 20 sparrows. 20 sparrows is equal to 20 minus 20, 0 sparrows left. 0 sparrows left. Okay, this way you have to write the steps to complete this column. Okay, now take the second example. To the out of 9 apples, if Raju taken away 3 apples. Somewhere in a basket, 9 apples were kept. All of a sudden Raju comes there and he takes 3 apples from that basket. Now how many left? How to write? First you will write 9 apples. 9 apples. Raju has taken 3 apples. Minus, taken away means minus 3 apples. So, how many will be left? After 3, if you count. After 3, that I have taught you in the previous session. Up to 9 you have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. So how many left? 6 apples left. 6 apples left. Clear? This way you have to write. Now take the next example. Out of 11 marbles, if 7 marbles lost. So again same thing. How many total marbles? 11. Yes. How many lost? 7. Minus. Lost means 1. 7 marbles lost. Now how many left? Yes. After 7 you have to count up to 11. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 4 left. 4 marbles left. 4 marbles left. Okay? This way you have to write proper statement to show this question. Fine? That's why I have taken revision so that you can learn the method properly, steps properly. Number 4. Out of 14 butterflies, if 8 fly away. Again, write proper statement. 14 total butterflies, 14. Yes, butterflies minus how many fly away? 8. 8 butterfly. 8 butterflies fly away. Now how many left? That we have to count. After 8 up to 14 you have to count. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 butterflies left. Clear? So this is called the step how to write. After reading the question, how to solve stepwise, you have to solve. So watch the video, learn it, do practice, so then no errors will comes when you start solving subtraction. Clear?